In this modern world, if you have only one stream of income, then money is going to be a problem. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 ways I make money here in Ghana for you to be empowered to start yours now. Make sure you watch this video to the end because every single point I'm going to mention in this video is really important. So let's get started. The first on the list is my salary. Yes, my salary. I'm a government worker and I get paid by the government every single month. Before I got my appointment into the government sector, I had so many dreams, I had so many aspirations, I have so many projects in mind that I would like to start or I would like to embark on whenever I start receiving money into my account. But guess what? When the money started flowing into my account, I was so disappointed. Very disappointed, of course. And I'll tell you why I was disappointed. I realized my dreams and the responsibilities around me and the projects I want to embark on were far bigger than the salary. And I guess you want to know how much I was earning at that time. Yes, my initial salary was 1,600 and some coins. Yes, 1,600 and some coins. So, and I was spending like 400 Ghana cedis on my transportations alone every month. So when you take the 400 Ghana cedis from my salary, you see how much I'll be left with, right? It was very small and it couldn't cater for all the projects, all the responsibilities, all the dreams I had in mind, okay? So I have to start thinking outside the box, start thinking of something different, something that I can do to support myself. And then looking at the salary, it was so small that if I want to start a project that will require a lot of capital, I won't be able to start. So I started looking for a project or a business that I can do with a little capital that can still make me some money. Then I discovered the next stream of income. I discovered a network marketing business. There are some people who have got some bitter experience with network marketing, but this time mine worked for me. When I discovered the company, they were into food supplements and I like health so much. So I decided to embrace it and partner with them. I buy the product at the wholesale price and sell it at the retail price and make some commission. And I also get some commission from the company direct into my account. And you know, it wasn't about just buying and selling. We also have the team building aspect. So I was building team alongside the buying and selling. Now, when I started making some money in the network marketing business, I channeled that money into my cashew farm. I was already having the land, but the money to start the farm was a problem. So I decided to channel every coins I made from the network marketing business into the farm. Now, the cashew farming is not going to be part of the source of income I'm going to talk about today because, as I said in my last video, it's 3 years now and I've not started harvesting yet. So let's leave the cashew farming here and continue with the third source of income. My third stream of income is recycling. Yes, recycling. I don't have the factory myself, so what I do is I buy the plastic waste from individuals. So I normally use my free time for this business. What I do is to buy the plastic waste from shops, from supermarkets, and from individuals who pick them, and I bring all home till I get the quantity I'm comfortable with before loading everything to the recycling factory and then resell it to them. Anyway, if you have any supermarkets or shops that you want me to come and buy your plastic waste or sacks, you can call me or message me, then I'll come for negotiation. If you also know anyone who is looking for a buyer, then let the person get in touch with me. Now, this is how the business works. If the company is going to buy it at 500 cedis from you, then when you go to the individuals or you go to the grounds, you buy that quantity at 200 Ghana cedis. Then you take 100 cedis for your transportation and your profit will be 200 cedis. So these are the 3 ways I make money here in Ghana. There are other projects I started recently, and of course YouTube is part of those projects. I'm not making anything yet, so if you want to be part of my YouTube journey, you want to see me grow, you want to be part of the YouTube family, then you can consider subscribing to my channel because that is the only way to grow on YouTube. So guys, I hope I've empowered you enough to start thinking of something you can do in addition to whatever you are doing. Don't wait for the opportunities. Go for them, grab it, use them, and use them very well. Because the way things are going in our world, if you have only one stream of income, then the future will be terrible. So make a change now. Start doing something and let me know what you're up to in the comment section. I'm going to see my next video very soon. Bye.